How do you paste your affiliate link into a Clickfunnels page? I created this quick tutorial to teach you how to do it in a very simple way, and we're gonna do a bridge page for this example. So before we get there, we gotta hit that intro. Hello, I came to America in 1993 looking for my American dream. After many years of working regular jobs, I realized this is not what I was looking for when I came to America. 2 years ago, I stumbled upon affiliate marketing and creating your online business. How am I gonna start a successful online business doing it part-time, and how I'm gonna apply everything that I learned and show others along the way? This is Carlos, joining my journey in Digital Marketpreneur Channel. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Carlos, and this is Digital Marketpreneur, the channel where we talk about affiliate marketing, making money online, and the mindset. And before we get to the tutorial, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that link in the bottom that says subscribe. Hit the notification button and the bell notification button so you guys know when I release my videos, when I release them, so you're the first ones to know. Leave me thumbs up, leave me thumbs down, comments below, any questions that you have, or if you want me to create any videos on any subjects that you want, I will be more than happy to do it for you. Okay, let's jump into the tutorial pretty quick. And what we're gonna do is we are gonna use an affiliate bridge page that I'm working on for the Expert Secrets book. And the reason why I'm working on this, it's because if you haven't bought the book yet, you should. The reason why is because the information on this book for $7.99 is absolutely incredible, and then you gotta get the .com secrets. The information will really clear your mind, and if you go through the one funnel away challenge and you put all those three together, you will have a very clear picture of how to become a great affiliate, because the training is not just to create your own products, but also you can become an affiliate for Clickfunnels. And I believe so much in this product, not only that, but the community. That's why you will see a lot of that in my channel. Russell Brunson is one of the top guys, and his message resonated with me. I follow other guys, but Clickfunnels is such an amazing community that it's so easy to just go and promote their stuff. So with that being said, we are gonna go here, and then you are gonna go to your affiliate links. I already opened it, so right here, and this is gonna be your link, right? Everybody's gonna have their own link. You gotta copy it, and there's a way that we're gonna go to. This is your my landing page. You might have seen another video where I actually add this section. I haven't really finished it, but this page has something like the free guide. Well, let's see. This. I'm probably not gonna use that. I'm gonna delete that. I'm not gonna use that. Enter your email address, and yes, I want. I'm gonna change that. So as you can see right here, says it goes to the next page in the funnel, because I have a thank you page. But you can actually do this and click on that button, and you're gonna set the action. You gotta submit the order or submit the form, because you don't want this to actually go to the next page. You actually want to send it directly to your link so that you can purchase directly. So you gotta click that. You gotta save. So make sure you save. And then what you're gonna need to do is, let's say you want them to go directly, you're gonna click on general, and then as you can see, it says on submit the goal. You are gonna go here, and the way I already did it, but I'm gonna do it one more time so you can see I deleted. This is one thing that I was thinking that it's copy and paste, but the way you do it inside this software, you're gonna hit Control B, and right here is gonna be your and here is gonna be your affiliate link. So you're gonna save. So I don't want to save it, but I'm gonna hit here, and then I'm gonna hit save. Right. So when you enter your email address and you click on this button into their page where you can actually get the purchase of the book, we are gonna hit back, and we're gonna test it. What you do is you want to click on this. This is your link for this page, so you're gonna click on that. You're gonna copy it, and we're gonna go into incognito mode. We're gonna click on that and then paste. That's our page right there. So if you enter as you right here, it sent me directly into the actual book, right? It sent me to the actual funnel that they have for the book for them to buy it, and as you can see right there, that's my ID. So if anybody purchases from, you know, going to this link, I am going to get tiny commission, but you know, I still gonna get the commission because they came through from my page. It is very simple. You know, all you gotta do is, once again, I'll show you. You are gonna click on that button, and you're gonna set the action. And when you set the action, you're not gonna use any of this. As you can see, you can do a Facebook opt-in. You can open the. You'll send them, but you're collecting the emails. You still to the actual affiliate link, so you can actually have them scroll all the way down to like all the way in the bottom, and maybe you have some special bonuses that you want them to look at, and when they click, it's gonna send them all the way to the bottom. So you're gonna submit the order, and then you're gonna go to your settings, and you're gonna click on general, and then on general you gotta enter the actual affiliate link, and that's gonna send them to them, and then you're gonna make the sale. Very simple. This is just a bridge page. You know, you're not doing absolutely anything more than just have them take a look, explaining what the book's about. You can actually add a video if you want, just with you and copy on the video and say, listen, in this section of the book he talks about this and this and this specific subject. Go get your copy today, and then just send them directly, and you make the sale. And it's very simple. So that's only show you how easy it is to use Clickfunnels. Now you're gonna see on the link in the bottom, you're gonna see a sales funnel mastery, which is a training that one of the affiliates for Clickfunnels created, and his story is that he had a minus $444 in his account, and then he went through the 1 funnel away challenge, created a course, and he worked really hard at it, and now, you know, he's one of the top affiliates inside Clickfunnels, and he's giving away his training for free, and you also are gonna get a cheat sheet that gives you step-by-step how to create your funnels without missing any of the steps. You want to claim the training is free, the cheat sheet is free, it's gonna be the first link in the bottom. Go get it. And if you want to be part of the 1 funnel away challenge, check in the description. There's gonna be a link with my special bonuses, so you guys can go get the training, learn how to use this software, and you know, start creating your business and start promoting Clickfunnels or any products that you would like to promote. So with that being said, I hope that you got a lot of value out of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that button that says subscribe, hit the notification button and the bell notification button, so you know when I release my videos, when I release them. And comments, thumbs up, thumbs down will really help me, and I will see you guys in the next video.